Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails at home. First, let's set up your home bar. You'll need a few key tools: a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, and a strainer. For spirits, start with versatile options like vodka, gin, rum, and whiskey. Don't forget fresh citrus, a homemade simple syrup, and a good quality bitters to elevate your drinks. These foundational items will allow you to craft a wide variety of delicious cocktails right from your kitchen. Now, let's dive into the fundamental techniques. Shaking is crucial for drinks with citrus, dairy, or eggs, ensuring proper chilling and dilution. For spirit-forward cocktails like an old-fashioned, stirring is preferred to achieve a smooth, clear texture without over-dilution. Muddling allows you to extract essential oils and juices from fresh ingredients like mint or berries, adding vibrant, natural flavors to your creations. Mastering these will significantly improve your homemade cocktails. With your tools and techniques ready, let's make some classics. A mojito is perfect for a warm evening. Combine 2 ounces of rum, fresh mint, 1 ounce of lime juice, and a ½ ounce of simple syrup, then top with soda. For an old-fashioned, muddle a sugar cube with a few dashes of bitters, add 2 ounces of whiskey, and stir with ice. A margarita needs 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur. Enjoy these timeless recipes. To truly elevate your home bartending, get creative with homemade syrups, like ginger or lavender, and infuse spirits with fruits or spices. Using large, clear ice cubes not only looks professional, but also melts slower, preserving your drink's integrity. Garnish thoughtfully with citrus twists or fresh herbs for an appealing finish. Remember to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals that can help you think differently about your money. Keep experimenting and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.